Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvirivan. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your Samsung A51 to Android 10. So guys, that's really easy. You have to click the link on the description given there. You can check the link. So open the link. Guys, don't skip the video. If you will skip the video, you will understand nothing. So open the link. You will find a page like this. Then you have to click on I'm not a robot. Skip the ad will come. Skip the ad again. Skip the ad again. Skip the ad again. Then click on this continue button. Here you have to wait 10 seconds. Now click on this get link button. Ad will come. Cancel it. Again click on this get link button. It will redirect you to this page. So here you have to click on this OK button. Then scroll down and here you can see your device model and Android Q. Here you can see Android Q. Android Q means Android 10. So guys, now click on this download button. Download button, here you can see download button. Click on this. Scroll down. Here you have to download the file. Click on this slow speed because unmetered speed will cost you money. So click on this slow speed. You can read the details out here. Android OS version 10, Android Q. You can see all the details are given here. You can see firmware SM A51. Here you can see Samsung Galaxy A51. So scroll down and click on this slow speed button. Here you can see it has started downloading. Here you can see. Now reboot your device and you have to go to your recovery mode, then install the zip after downloading it. So guys, that's all. If you find this helpful, please guys subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to this.